description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we're gonna do all the rest of these stupid things, because I'm really burnt out on seeing them on my desk, and I'm just gonna go through all of them. This is this is from South Korea. This isn't made in the United States. This is the K-pop demon hunter Zoey Hamburger cup. So yeah, that is what is on the menu today. How you doing? I hope you are doing as well as should be expected. I don't know, how well should it be expected that you are doing? Don't ask me, I just live here. So, today is the 30th and final day of April. After today, it's gonna be May. It's gotta be. So, yeah. Busy day today, getting a bunch of junk done. Already went out, grabbed a couple things, and I'm back. Making noodles. Oh, boy, noodles. 3 minutes. So yeah, these cups, I will admit, they're okay, but I mean, they're kind of disappointing. The thing that disappointed me the most is the fact that I got the 3 that were made in the US that are just regular Shin, that are not like special flavors. That's a bummer. But on the local Buy Nothing group the other day, somebody had the Zoey special flavor cup. So that, am I doing that? No, I'm gonna do the other one after this one. And then I'll do the special flavor one after that. And sometime in the future, I guess I'll be doing the Mira and Rumi special US version cups. It's ridiculous. It's a freaking cartoon. Stop it. Just stop it. I've had people like lose their freaking minds on me on I don't know. People are like, "Oh my god, it's the best movie ever. The music is so wonderful." Blah, blah, blah. This is like the Bee Gees to disco, right? I mean, the Bee Gees were very commercial. This movie is very commercial. Yeah, of course, all the tunes are catchy. Wow, you know, that's K-pop. So if you just all of a sudden became a K-pop fan because of this movie, then cool, but there's way better than this stuff in there. But they got awards. Yeah, dude, if you're that big of a fan of the Academy Awards, you don't like good film. I'm sorry. But yeah. Yeah. If you want to see a good movie, go check out Buffalo 66. That's a good movie. Not Buffalo 67. Buffalo 66. Another good movie. If you've never seen it and you don't know anything about good movies, go see Lawrence of Arabia, Bridge Over the River Kwai. What's the other one? There's another one. Is it Dr. Zhivago? I don't think that's David Lean, is it? I don't think it is. It might be. Good movies, good director. 2001 Space Odyssey. It's heavy. It takes a while. It isn't instantly you're seeing ads for Skittles like in Inspector Gadget. You need to like invest your time in 2001. Clockwork Orange, another wonderful movie. Last Emperor. Where the Buffalo Roam. That one. I like that one a lot. So yeah. Some movies I like. Aside from War Games, Colossus, The Forbidden Project, Mad Max Beyond Thunderdome, I really gotta say, personally, I think the whole Mad Max franchise just got better and better and better. Which usually isn't how it works. Usually you get some movie that's really good, and then the next one is like, and then the next one is, Like, look at Star Wars. The prequels weren't that great, and the subsequent postquels were really lame. So, but there's that new one, Mandalorian and Grogu, coming out in the theater. I am all about checking that out, but I don't know how that's all gonna work. I'll watch it, that's for damn sure. Cheers. Okay. So I am getting a taste of hamburger in this one. Certainly am. The broth seems to have some meaty bits in there. Yeah, there's a meaty bit. It tastes like hamburger, but it has zero texture. The texture is awful. The texture is like, personally, I find it very, very off-putting. I'm sorry. The flavor is great. It tastes like you got a hamburger there. Tastes like you got a hamburger right there. Think of that. Hamburger in a cup. See, it does work. Looking at you, Nongshim. Not Nongshim, Nissan. I keep telling them. They keep coming up with these fancy weird cups. I'm like, dude, make a hamburger one, cheeseburger. The holy trinity of cheeseburger, taco, and what was the third one? Uh-oh. Pizza. That's the holy trinity in my book of American cheapo food flavors. I'm going to use this again. This is the Mai. It's garlic and onion. It's fried and it's crispy. And I've been putting this stuff on everything, and I freaking love it. Oh my god. It's like I made curry last night, and I used some of it on my curry, and then when I was done with it, I took a pinch of it and ate that too. So, yeah. I think I'm good. Alright, cool. Well, there's one down. Yeah, this is good. This is actually, I am pleased. I didn't expect to like this one all that incredibly much, but that's what we got. So, Rotato, do your thing. Oh, yeah. Alright, well, the Korean version's got something going for it. I guess we'll try out another one on the next episode. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.